Hello people, Simon is speaking. Today I wanted to publish video tutorial how you can copy the same object if you were cutting polygons, because we have door handle, and I wanted to show you how you can copy on the other side of the door, because I created on this side subdivided model of the handle, door handle, but you don't have to use mirror because we got single object, but I wanted to show you the way how to copy only one single item on that side of the polygon. So we will mirror object. First, I will show you. I wasn't going to publish video tutorial, but I wanted to show you. We will select grow selection. Make sure you consider axis, because this is important. I think this is -x, I believe. If you go to mesh, Symmetrize, it is from plus to -x. I don't know what threshold is to go with. Oh, this is nice. But I have to check what does this threshold do. I think this is welding polygon. But you can still weld the polygon manually. Because there is a feature called auto merge. We can turn this on. Threshold we can increase. Also you can select snap, vertices, center. Maybe I will leave rotate. We don't need rotate. You select this, and you can only drag by left mouse button, and all vertices will be snapped. I've forgotten to consider one option. Don't select this because it will see invisible vertices. Auto merge works perfectly. Now we copy to the other side of the door handle. I hope you like my video tutorial. People, have a nice day.